Frankfurt Unicum, Golf Echo Charlie 8265, going around. Frankfurt ground, Lufthansa Cargo 8524 Heavy, ready to taxi to runway 25 left. Lufthansa Cargo 8524 Heavy, taxi to runway 25 center, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 25 center, Lufthansa Cargo 8524 Heavy. Frankfurt Unicum, Golf Echo Charlie 8265 is on final, runway 25 left. Frankfurt ground, Golf Echo Charlie 8265, request taxi to parking. Lufthansa 345, taxi to parking. Taxiing to parking, Lufthansa 345. Lima Hotel 2002, pushback approved. Expect runway 25 center.
Pushback approved. Lima Hotel 2002.
Golf Echo Charlie 8265, taxi to parking. Frankfurt Tower, Lufthansa Cargo 8524 Heavy, ready for departure at runway 25 center, departing south. Lufthansa Cargo 8524 Heavy, runway 25 center, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 25 center, Lufthansa Cargo 8524 Heavy.
Frankfurt Tower, Lima Hotel 2002, ready for departure at runway 25 center, departing south.
Lima Hotel 2002, line up and wait runway 25 center.
Line up and wait runway 25 center, Lima Hotel 2002.
Nautical miles to the northwest at 14,400 feet. Inbound for landing. Requesting runway 25 left. Frequency change approved. Lufthansa Cargo 8524 Heavy. Good day. Lima Hotel 2002. Runway 25 center. Cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff. Runway 25 center. Lima Hotel 2002.
Lufthansa 717. Number 1. Runway 25 left. Cleared to land. Number 1. Cleared to land. Runway 25 left. Lufthansa 717.